Hi everyone, welcome back. Hope you're all doing well. I'm Melody 小茹老师. So today we're going to talk about ChatGPT. Yes, it's all over the internet and it has become the hottest buzzword ever since its launch in November 2022. It is only a few months old and has caused waves in the business world. Many working professionals and businesses have jumped on the bandwagon to use this latest AI-based chatbot. Now, it is way more powerful than I imagined. It just gives me goosebumps whenever I have to think of, some jobs, especially intellectual jobs, could be replaced altogether by AI. So in today's video, we're going to talk about those jobs that are at high risk of being taken over by AI in the very near future. All right, bicycles passing by. All right, okay, so but before we dive into that, let me just give you a quick intro of what ChatGPT is, how it actually works, and how you can use it to your life, your study or work. All right, so let's get started. Now, who created ChatGPT? ChatGPT is created by OpenAI, a company that is based in San Francisco, America. Now, OpenAI was founded by Sam Altman and Elon Musk and others in 2015 as an artificial intelligence research lab. And Elon Musk resigned from the board in 2018 but remained as a donor. And Microsoft invested $1 billion in 19, yes, and provided a second multi-year investment in January 2023, which is reported to be worth $10 billion. So obviously, Microsoft is one of the biggest shareholders of the company. How does ChatGPT actually work? ChatGPT is a state-of-the-art language model that can understand and generate human-like text. Now, it is trained on a massive data set of human conversations and uses machine learning algorithms to learn the patterns and structures of the language so that ChatGPT is able to generate natural and coherent responses to prompts and questions. How do you actually use ChatGPT? You can simply type in your questions or instructions for the AI chatbot to tell a story or answer a question, and it will respond in a human-like way with relevant answers. This makes ChatGPT very useful for many applications such as language translation, text summarization, table generation. For example, you can use it to interact with your customers online and provide more personalized customer experiences, or you can brainstorm ideas on certain topics or keywords and translate text from one language to another, create email communications and responses, or generate tables for data analysis. So you can pretty much use it in every aspect of your life. Now let's talk about jobs that are at high risk of being replaced by AI. Now, number one, tech jobs, including jobs like coders, computer programmers, software engineers, data analysts. Now, according to Insider, coding and computer programming are in-demand skills, but it's possible that ChatGPT and similar AI tools may fill in some of the gaps in the very near future. Now, ChatGPT could produce code faster than humans, which means that work can be completed with fewer employees. What took a team of software developers might only take some of them. All right. And number two, media jobs. Now, since AI is able to read, write, and understand text-based data well, media jobs, including those in advertising, technical writing, journalism, content creation, and translation, may be affected by ChatGPT and similar forms of AI. Experts say that AI like ChatGPT is good at producing written content and can do so more efficiently than humans. Number three, legal industry jobs, paralegals, legal assistants. Now, paralegals and legal assistants are responsible for consuming large amounts of information, synthesizing what they learned, then making it digestible through a legal brief or opinion. Language-oriented roles like these are very susceptible to automation, but AI won't fully be able to automate these jobs because it requires a certain degree of human judgment to understand what a client or employer wants. Number four, market research analysts. Market research analysts are responsible for collecting data, identifying trends within that data, and then using what they found to design an effective marketing campaign or decide where to place advertising. AI is good at analyzing data and predicting outcomes. That is why market research analysts may be susceptible to AI-driven change. Number five, teachers. Since the release of ChatGPT, it has been used by students to cheat on their homework. teachers are susceptible to job disruptions from AI. According to an associate dean in the Department of Computing and Information Sciences at Rochester Institute of Technology, ChatGPT can easily teach classes already. Although it has bugs and inaccuracies in terms of knowledge, this can be easily improved by training the ChatGPT. But I personally think that compared with preschool and primary school teachers, high school and university teachers are more likely to face unemployment due to AI because, education at kindergarten and primary school is not just about knowledge, it's more of a cultivation of character and self-discipline. Number 6, finance jobs. Market research analysts, financial analysts, personal financial advisors, and some other jobs require manipulating significant amounts of numerical data. And again, AI is good at handling data, so workers in the finance industry could be at risk for AI replacement. Number 7, traders. Traders could be in jeopardy as a result of AI because their jobs involves large amount of Excel modeling and AI is good at that. Number 8, graphic designers. You may have heard of DALL-E 2, which is also created by OpenAI. Now, DALL-E is an AI tool that can generate images in seconds as a potential disruptor of the graphic design industry. And number 9, accountants. Accounting is generally viewed as a stable profession, but even employees in this industry could be threatened. Number 10, customer service agents. Customer support specialists may lose their jobs to AI. You probably already experienced calling or chatting with a company's customer service and having a robot answer. ChatGPT and related technologies could continue this trend. All right, so that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We've talked about what ChatGPT is and also how you can use it to your life. And of course, you can find a bunch of videos about people using ChatGPT to their work, to create texts, essays, children's books, or even like movies or YouTube videos. You can find contents about all that on the internet. So it is the end of this video. Hope you find it helpful. I sincerely hope that this video can really inspire you when it comes to choosing your career path. And of course, if you are a student or a researcher, definitely try to use ChatGPT to your work and study because it can really save you a lot of time and effort. All right, so that's it for you guys, and I'll see you in my next video then. Bye.